This surah reminds us that after hardship comes ease, and Allah never leaves His servant without help. Assalamu Alaikum. Welcome to Quran with Rahim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Surah 94. Ash-Sharh meaning, the relief, the expansion. Alam nashrah laka sadrak. Have we not opened your chest for you? Allah reminds the Prophet Muhammad that He gave him peace, strength, and comfort in his heart. وَوَضَعْنَا عَنْكَ وِزْرَكَ. And removed from you your burden, Allah lifted the heavy burden and difficulty from him. الَّذِي أَنْقَضَ ظَهْرَكَ, which had weighed heavily on your back, the burden had become very heavy, but Allah gave relief. وَرَفَعْنَا لَكَ ذِكْرَكَ. And we raised high your mention. Allah gave great honor to the Prophet and made his name remembered with respect. فَإِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. So surely, with hardship comes with ease. Allah promises that difficulty is not alone. Ease comes with it. إِنَّ مَعَ الْعُسْرِ يُسْرًا. Surely, with hardship comes ease. Allah repeats this promise to comfort and strengthen the heart. فَإِذَا فَرَغْتَ فَانْصَبْ. So when you are free, then continue to strive. When one task is finished, turn with effort to worship, good work, and what pleases Allah. وَإِلَى رَبِّكَ فَارْغَب. And to your Lord direct your longing. Keep your hope, need, and desire, turn to Allah alone. Life lesson: hardship does not last forever. Allah sends ease, and the believer should keep turning to Him with hope, effort, and trust. A person is going through stress at school, work, or in family life. They feel tired and think the difficulty will never end. This surah brings comfort to the heart. It teaches us that pain, stress, and heavy moments are not the end of the story. When we hold on to Allah and continue striving, we find peace, strength, and hope. If this helped you understand Surah Ash-Sharh, like, comment, and share. Follow or subscribe to Quran with Rahim for the next surah in this series.